Getting started with MODIS version 6 Land Surface Temperature Data Part 2, using the data, presented by the Land Processes Distributed Active Archive Center, or LP DAAC. This is part 2 of the Getting Started with MODIS version 6 Land Surface Temperature Data video series. This video will cover the science datasets, or SDSs, in each MODIS land surface temperature file, the fill values and scale factor for the data, and how to apply it, how to visualize land surface temperature using a color map, and how to find land surface temperature resources on the LP DAAC website. The MODIS Land Surface Temperature version 6 products provide per pixel land surface temperature, or LST, in Kelvin and emissivity. LST describes the temperature of the land surface, not the air temperature. Emissivity is the ratio of thermal infrared energy radiated from an object compared to that of a black body under the same conditions. All of the land surface temperature products are derived from the initial 5-minute Level 2 swath products, MOD11L2 and MYD11L2. MODIS land surface temperature products are distributed as hierarchical data format, or HDF files. The file name contains MOD11 indicating Terra MODIS observations, or MYD11 for Aqua MODIS observations. Here is a visual representation of the data stored within a single Terra MODIS version 6 daily land surface temperature and emissivity 1 km Level 3 gridded product, MOD11A1 HDF file. The HDF file for this product contains daytime and nighttime LST data, quality information, observation information, emissivity data, and the clear sky coverage. It is important to know that a scale factor must be applied to the land surface temperature and emissivity data before you begin using the data. A scale factor of 0.02 should be used for land surface temperature data. For example, if the data value is 15,592, multiply by 0.02 to get 311.84 Kelvin after the scale factor is applied. The emissivity data have a scale factor of 0.002 and an additional offset of 0.49. For example, if the data value is 241, multiply by 0.002 for the scale factor, and then add 0.49 for the additional offset to get 0.972, or 97.2%. The designated fill value for both the land surface temperature and emissivity is 0. Users can apply a scale factor to their data via a data script recipe, through manual calculation, or in certain software programs. Some of the other science datasets in the land surface temperature products have various scale factors, valid data ranges, and fill values. Please refer to the Digital Object Identifier, or DOI landing page for each land surface temperature product to learn more about specific values for the other science datasets. Once you have an understanding of these values, you can work with and observe each of the science datasets. Here is a land surface temperature image centered over the border of Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, and China from June 9th to 16th, 2016. Shown using the Terra MODIS 8-day land surface temperature 1 km Level 3 gridded product MOD11A2. The daytime LST are available as a single science dataset. A color map is an RGB assignment of colors to certain values. A color map can be added using most Geographic Information System, or GIS software, to better visualize the variations in temperature. Here's the same 8-day daytime LST image shown using a color map. The LST of the area ranges from hotter, shown in shades of red and orange, to cooler, shown in shades of greens and blues. The color black is used for fill values and data with no values. For examples of how MODIS land surface temperature products can be used in scientific applications, visit the LP DAAC website. The publications table has relevant literature. The Data in Action section has short stories about scientific applications, and the e-learning page has tutorials, presentations, and other product resources. Thank you for watching our video. For more information on MODIS version 6 land surface temperature data, please visit the LP DAAC website at lpdaac.usgs.gov.